Imagine a robot that instantly understands you, sees what you see, and handles objects it has never touched before. No training, no coding, just pure intelligence. Figure's new Helix. AI is making this a reality, and it could very well be the biggest leap forward in home robotics yet. Just a few weeks ago, Figure ended its collaboration with OpenAI. On February 4th, Brett Adcock, the founder of Figure, took to Twitter to announce that the partnership was over because his company had achieved a groundbreaking in-house breakthrough in fully end-to-end AI for robots. That breakthrough turned out to be Helix. Shortly after this announcement, reports surfaced that Figure was negotiating a massive new funding round, $1.5 billion at a valuation of $39.5 billion. This alone signals that investors are thrilled, likely because they got an early glimpse of the technology. And honestly, who wouldn't be excited about robots that can put away your groceries? So let's dive into Helix and why it matters. The name itself, vision, language, action, tells you it integrates three key components. It sees the environment, vision, understands instructions, language, and acts on them, action. Figure calls it a generalist model because it isn't limited to one narrow task. Supposedly, it can handle thousands of different household items without requiring extensive demonstration data or specialized coding for each new object. In one of Figure's demo videos, a person simply said, "Hey, can you two robots put away this bag of groceries?" The robot scanned the kitchen, opened the fridge, placed items inside, and even put an apple in a fruit bowl. What's even more impressive is that these tasks involved multiple robots working together, seamlessly handing items back and forth without any issues. Brett Adcock, Figure's founder, says they've been working on Helix for over a year, aiming to solve general robotics challenges. By general, he means Helix can not only reason through problems, but also respond to voice prompts and handle objects it has never encountered before. This level of object generalization is a game changer because the average household is messy, unpredictable, and unique. Unlike a tidy assembly line, homes are chaotic. Things change, lighting varies, and every space is different. To truly function in such an environment, a robot needs adaptability, a quality that has historically been missing in robotics. One of Helix's standout features is its dual system architecture, which Figure calls System 2, S2, and System 1, S1. S2 is the slower, pre-trained vision language model responsible for interpreting natural language commands, analyzing the scene, and devising a general plan. S1, on the other hand, is the fast visual motor policy that translates that plan into real-time physical actions at 200 Hz. Think of S2 as the brain that steps back to think through what needs to be done, while S1 acts as the nervous system, executing quick, precise motor control. Both systems run on low-power GPUs embedded within the robot itself, making Helix commercially viable right out of the gate without the need for bulky external computers. According to Figure, this approach solves a classic trade-off in robotics. Previously, large language models were great at conversation, but too slow for moment-by-moment control, while smaller control policies were fast, but narrowly focused. By splitting Helix into S2 for deliberate reasoning and S1 for rapid action, they achieved the best of both worlds. They even built a dataset of around 500 hours of teleoperated behaviors, using an auto-labeling system to generate natural language instructions for training. This ensures that each demonstration correlates with how a human might naturally speak, but that's not all. Helix introduces several firsts in robotics. The first is full upper body control, with 35 degrees of freedom across the wrists, torso, head, and fingers, all running at 200 Hz. Coordinating that many joints is no small feat, especially when the robot is handling objects of varying shapes and weights, or opening a fridge door while twisting its torso to see inside. The second major innovation is multi-robot collaboration. In demos, two humanoid robots pass grocery items to each other based solely on verbal commands like, "Pass the bag of cookies to the robot on your right." Both robots interpreted the environment and coordinated the handoff effortlessly. Another breakthrough is Helix's ability to pick up anything. Thanks to its advanced language understanding and integrated visual processing, the system doesn't require separate training for every single object. It can handle thousands of unfamiliar household items purely through voice instructions. For example, if you say, "Pick up that weird plastic dinosaur," the system can figure it out, even if it has never encountered that object before. Helix also stands out for its unified neural network approach. Instead of relying on multiple separate modules for different tasks, Helix uses a single 7 billion parameter vision language model S2 and an 80 million parameter transformer for control S1. This single set of weights is capable of controlling the entire upper body for a wide range of actions: picking, placing, opening drawers, or handing items to another robot. It's a universal solution that eliminates the need for fine-tuning for every new chore in your kitchen. Finally, Helix is designed to be commercially ready. It runs on embedded GPUs, so there's no need to be tethered to a giant server in the cloud. This is a significant advantage if you want a robot that can move freely around the house without worrying about cables or bulky hardware. It also means the system is faster and more secure, with less risk of latency issues if your internet goes down. Of course, this is still early stage technology. If you watch Figure's demo videos, everything looks smooth, but that's likely the result of extensive behind the scenes testing. It's safe to assume we're a few years away from robots cooking full meals, folding all your laundry, or vacuuming your entire house like a human would. However, Figure is positioning Helix as a game changer that can scale from industrial settings, where they've been working with companies like BMW, to actual home environments. Interestingly, Meta is reportedly building a new division for AI-powered humanoid robots, and another startup, Aponic, recently raised $350 million with backing from Google DeepMind. There are even rumors that Apple might join the race. It's quickly turning into a robotics arms race among tech giants, each hoping to define the future of humanoid robots. Brian Heater at TechCrunch pointed out that many humanoid robot companies focus first on industrial and logistics scenarios, like moving boxes in a warehouse, because the environment is more structured. But Figure is doubling down on the home environment, which is notoriously difficult for robots to navigate. People move furniture, spill liquids, leave half-folded laundry lying around, and do all sorts of random things. If you can solve for that, you automatically address a huge chunk of general use robotics challenges. Another interesting note is that while Helix represents a major pivot toward home use, Figure hasn't abandoned industrial applications. Instead, they see the home environment as the ultimate testbed for adaptability. If a robot can handle all the unpredictability of a person's house, it can probably handle most industrial tasks as well. Bridging the gap between factory floors and living rooms has been a long discussed but rarely achieved goal, largely because the technical challenges are so different. Helix's approach bypasses older methods of meticulously coding each action or training a robot on thousands of nearly identical demonstrations. By using a vision language model, Helix learns everyday common sense, like how a fridge door opens or where apples usually go in a kitchen, and S1 handles the fine-grained details, so the robot doesn't need hours of retraining every time it encounters a new mug or toy. This is precisely the kind of approach that could bring a step change in capabilities, to borrow Adcock's words. Of course, there are still questions about safety, reliability, and even hacking. You might be wondering, can someone hijack my home robot and make it do strange things? These are issues we'll likely hear more about as the technology evolves. For now, Figure is focused on perfecting the core AI, ensuring Helix can generalize quickly and handle tasks on the fly. We're also seeing a big push toward user-friendly features, natural language voice prompts, a single system that can handle objects it has never encountered, and the ability for 2 or more robots to collaborate in real time. According to Figure, Helix is like a human in that it understands speech, reasons through problems, and grasps objects on demand. Not everyone is ready to invite a 6-figure humanoid into their home, but as mass production ramps up and costs hopefully come down, you might start seeing these robots in more places. Perhaps in service sectors, elder care, or even as fancy household companions. As we move forward, the potential for robots like Helix to enhance our daily lives becomes increasingly apparent. Imagine a future where these humanoid robots assist in various tasks, from cooking meals to managing household chores. The integration of advanced AI and machine learning allows them to adapt to individual preferences and routines, making them not just helpers, but personalized companions. This could significantly alleviate the burden of daily tasks, especially for busy families or individuals with mobility challenges. Moreover, the collaboration between multiple robots opens up exciting possibilities for efficiency and innovation. In environments like hospitals or warehouses, we could see teams of robots working together seamlessly, sharing information and coordinating tasks in real time. This level of cooperation could lead to improved productivity and safety as robots take on more complex roles that require teamwork. The vision of a future where robots enhance human capabilities rather than replace them is becoming more tangible, and it invites us to rethink our relationship with technology. However, with these advancements come important ethical considerations. As we welcome robots into our homes and workplaces, we must address concerns about privacy, security, and the potential for job displacement. It's crucial to establish guidelines and regulations that ensure these technologies are developed responsibly and equitably. Engaging in conversations about the implications of humanoid robots will help us navigate this evolving landscape, ensuring that we harness their potential while safeguarding our values and rights. So let me know your thoughts in the comments. Would you trust one of these humanoids to rummage through your kitchen? Or do you think we need to wait until the technology becomes even more robust and hopefully cheaper before letting a robot grab a glass out of your cupboard? Thanks for reading, and I'll see you in the next one.